Want to learn how to fix unfortunately WhatsApp has stopped problem? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorial Spawn. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll tell you 6 of the ways to fix your WhatsApp has unfortunately stopped problem. The very first one is to have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes, weak Wi-Fi connection could also be the reason of you facing such problem. The second one is to go to your App Store or Play Store. Tap on the search for apps and games option on the top. Enter your WhatsApp and you need to check that when was your app last updated. Sometimes, unupdated app could also be the reason of you facing the login error. So if you have an option of update instead of open on the top right corner, make sure to tap on it and update your app. The third one is to go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down and reach the point where you can clear the cache of this particular app. Different cell phones could have different ways to reach there. But if you have a cell phone like mine, you can go to settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, tap on the search bar, enter your WhatsApp and reach to the point where you can clear the cache of this particular app. Tap on clear cache on the bottom right corner, tap on clear cache, tap on OK. So you have successfully removed the cache, and removing the cache has removed all of the unrequired filthy chunks, which could also be the reason of you facing such problem on WhatsApp. The fourth one is to force stop this particular app. Tap on force stop on the bottom left corner. You can see that if you force stop an app, it may misbehave. But I would love to tell you one thing, that force stop in an Android is a special feature to stop all of the unrequired filthy chunks and also help your app start in a fresh way. Tap on OK on the bottom right corner. So just by doing it, you have successfully helped this app start in a fresh way. The fifth one is to uninstall this app. Tap on uninstall and tap on OK on the bottom right. So when you have uninstalled it successfully, you can go back to App Store or Play Store and tap on install and try reinstalling this app. Reinstalling this app could also help you fix a login error, so try using it. The sixth and the last one is to restart your phone. Restarting your phone could also help you fix a login error, because as I've already told you that not just because of WhatsApp but because of other apps running on the background, your WhatsApp app may have faced such problem. So make sure to restart your phone. So I've just told you 6 of the ways to fix your WhatsApp app unfortunately had stopped problem. I'm sure it's definitely going to help you if you're going to use it effectively. And if it has, try providing a like to our video and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.